Hi friends, I have set up a free system monitor that actually tells me why my PC is slow. Yes, I have always used Windows Task Manager. This is the one to troubleshoot my computer when it is slow. I'll open it and stare at the CPU or memory bar hoping to find the problem. However, at times everything looks just fine, yet my laptop is still slow or shuttered. Then I found the free Process Explorer utility from Microsoft's Sys internal suite. Yes, you heard me, it is Microsoft's Sys internal suite. And after opening it for the first time, I felt like unlocking the backstage of Windows 11. I was seeing beyond usage data and finally started to understand why certain issues were happening. And I found why the process dragging my computer down, and I no longer have to rely on guesswork. So I'll show you what this utility is and how this is going to help you in your daily work. Now for that you have to download an application named Process Explorer that doesn't require any installation. You only have to download the zip file from this page, that is Microsoft Sys internal page, and extract it and run it as an administrator, and you are ready to start using the utility. It doesn't permanently add anything to your system like any installed apps. So I'll show you. Just download this Process Explorer and it will be a zip file. Just open it. Here you have the zip file. Just extract it. Now you have the exe here, exe for 64-bit and for 32-bit. Based on your system, you can open it. Just double click and open it. That's it. Now here you can see all the applications that is running. Once you launch the utility, navigate to the options and replace task manager. If you want to replace it with the task manager, just click on replace task manager. Now you have this application here, and if you go to the start again and from click on task manager, this will be opened instead of task manager. So it has replaced it with the task manager. If you want any time it to be back, then you can go to the options and then disable it. Your traditional task manager will be back. That's it. So this is a cool application. Now here I'll show you how you can identify things. Now how to find what's really slowing your system. Process Explorer helps you separate symptoms from causes. I once noticed lag even though Task Manager showed modest CPU. In the Process Explorer, I added the input-output read bytes and private bytes column and immediately noticed a single browser process that was reading from disk non-stop. It was the culprit quietly degrading system responsiveness. I closed that tab and the problem was fixed. And also in other case, I saw a periodic spikes in Process Explorer because Windows Defender was scanning a huge backup folder. Now, what are these color means? Terminated processes glow red, new ones flash green, and services are purple. So you can identify here, these red ones are terminated process, new one are green, flash green, and services are purple in color. These colors flashes as you open and close apps, allowing you to understand what happened on your computer. To get a more insights, you can navigate to view and from here go to the system information. It displays a live graph with CPU, memory, GPU and IO usage. Now here I will show you how to spot a hidden threats with the Process Explorer. That means you can verify suspicious process and stay ahead of malware. To initiate a check, you have to right click on that suspicious whatever apps you find it suspicious. Just right click on it and then select checkvirustotal.com. Now what it does is it submit a hash and check for this application. And if you want to see the result, just click on this hash value and it will take to the VirusTotal page from where it displays a score in the VirusTotal column. So the trust rating for all your requested services is displayed on VirusTotal website. The file is considered safe if no security vendor's flag is as malicious. You can see that it is all safe. So I am 100% sure that you will switch to this Process Explorer. So hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.